Hi, I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to my walking tour of Malgrat De Mar Beach, Barcelona. In this video, we will be exploring the magnificent beauty of this stunning beach in 4 Kelvin resolution and 60 frames per second. We will pass by several charming beachfront restaurants and cafes where you can enjoy some delicious local cuisine and refreshing drinks. The beach itself is well maintained and offers plenty of amenities for visitors. You can rent sun loungers and parasols, or take part in a variety of water sports such as windsurfing, kayaking, and jet skiing.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts from my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
The beach is also equipped with showers, changing rooms, and public toilets for your convenience. One of the highlights of Malgrat De Mar Beach is the breathtaking views of the Mediterranean Sea. As we walk along the beach, we will be treated to stunning vistas of the blue waters and the distant horizon. The contrast of the sea against the golden sand creates a picture-perfect postcard view that will leave you in awe. In conclusion, Malgrat De Mar Beach is a must-visit destination for anyone looking for a relaxing and picturesque beach vacation. The beach's stunning natural beauty, crystal clear waters, and charming beachfront cafes and restaurants make it the perfect place to unwind and soak up the sun. So, don't forget to write a comment below and let me know what you think of this stunning beach. And as always, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing travel content.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!